This video will show you how to attach your door hinges. First, fasten the mounting plates to the inside of the cabinet panel as shown in your assembly instructions. Next, attach the hinges to the inside of the door as shown. Tighten down the top and bottom screws on each mounting plate. Then loosen the middle screw on each mounting plate. Place the door hinges over the top of the mounting plates, not underneath. There should not be a large gap between the door and the cabinet. Next, fasten the door hinges to the top of the mounting plates. To ensure your doors open and close smoothly, it's important to adjust the hinges to complete assembly. Adjust the tightness of the screws and test the hinges by opening and closing the doors a few times to achieve your desired functionality. To adjust left to right, loosen this screw and adjust, then retighten. To adjust up or down, loosen this screw and adjust, then retighten. To adjust in or out, loosen this screw and adjust, then retighten.